Welcome to my channel, Animated Study. Here is the normal linked list, and that is pointed by the head pointer. Now, if you want to implement stack using linked list, and stack is following the order last in, first out, LIFO. So, you close the one end and do the insertions and deletion from the one end only, and that is called the head end. But for the stack implementations, you call head as a top. That is better. Now you insert the node at head side of the linked list and you set the data part, that is 10 here, and link part, that is 700. That is the address of top node. And once you are inserting this node, you are updating your top pointers to the first node of the linked list. This is what the simple implementation of stack push operations. Now, if you want to implement the pop operations of the stack, you can update the top pointers to the link of the top, that is 700 here, and you can pop it out. So this is what the stack implementations using linked list. So we will see the code of push, pop and pick operation for the stack. So here you can see this is the linked list and it is pointed by the top here, and this is the push functions in which you are passing any data here. So when you are push the node, it is better to push it at the front side because your top pointer is at the front side, so it's taking the constant time. You can do the push and pop operations at the end also, but for that you have to go through the all n elements, so it takes the order n, that is the higher than the big O one. So we will do the push and pop operations at the front side. So we will take the stack like this. So we are doing the insertions and deletions from the front end only. So when you are calling these functions, you are making one pointers, that is temp here, and then you are allocating the memory using malloc functions. Now you are checking temp is equal to null. So we will print heap overflow. So when your entire memory heap is get filled by all the nodes, then you will get this message. Otherwise, you will straight away go into the next instructions, that is temp data is equal to data. So you can set your data part, say it is 10 here, and then you set the link. So you set the temp link is equal to top here. So here you have a temp link and top is indicating the address 700. So you set the temp link as a 700 here, and then you call top is equal to temp. So you drag your top pointers to the first node. Now if you want to pop the elements, you can call these functions, that is pop here, and make one pointer temp here, and then check the condition top is equal to null. If your linked list is totally empty, then you are getting this message, that is stack underflow. But here your top is not pointing to the null, it is pointing to the node having address 100. So we will go to the else part in which you are taking temp is equal to top. So you drag your temp pointers to the first node with address 100 and you move your top to the top link. So top link is 700. So you move your pointers to the address 700 and update the link part of temp node is equal to null here. So you can see your node is disconnected from here and you free the memory of temp node. So you can see your memories get released. So this is what all about the push and pop operations. We can also implement the pick operations, that just returning the first node data. So it is just for the viewing purpose. It is not inserting or deleting any element. So here you can check the condition. If not is empty, so first you are checking this condition. So you are calling the another functions, is empty functions. Is empty functions, if your top is equal to null, it's returning 1. So here your top is not null, so it is going to the else part and it is returning 0 here. So that shows your is empty is false here. So negations of is empty is true here. So you are going inside the if conditions and then you are returning the top data. So you can access the node data parts, that is 18 here. So you can see the data from top side using peek functions. So that's all for stack implementations of push, pop, pick and is empty using linked list. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.